on rational numbers. List 5 rational numbers between minus 5 third and minus 6 seventh. Now this type of questions are really important. I have seen this in many question papers. Sometimes they ask you to find 5 rational numbers, sometimes 3, sometimes 10. But the method of finding a rational numbers between two rational numbers is same. There are different ways of finding it, and this is a one method which I usually follow. It's easy and we can find more rational numbers using this method. So we have two rational numbers, that is minus 5 third and minus 6 seventh. The first step is you have to check the denominators. So here we can see that we have 3 and 7. So they are not like fractions, or their denominators are not same. So they are rational numbers here, but the denominators are not same. So they are not fractions. But if I write this in a fractional form, it will be minus 5 by 3, that is PYQ form, and I have minus 6 by 7. So denominators are not same. Whenever denominators are not same, we have to make it same. That's the first step. So if they are already same, then you don't have to do this first step. You can jump to the second step. But here they are not same, so we have to make them same. How we can do it? We have to find the LCM, that is least common multiple of 3 and 7, which is 21. Right? Now using this, we can find the rational numbers. So let's see how. So we got the LCM. So let's rewrite this. So LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Now we'll find the equivalent rational number of minus 5 third and minus 6 seventh, where the denominator will be 21. I always see this question, why we are multiplying. The reason is we have to make the denominator same. So we are finding the equivalent rational number of these two given numbers. How to do it? We have to multiply with a certain number. So let's see what is that number. So we have minus 5 over 3, which is equals to, so we have minus 5 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. We have to make 21 in the denominator. So think of a number, when you multiply with 3, you get 21. 3 sevens are 21. So I am multiplying here with 7. Whenever you multiply a number in the denominator to find the equivalent rational number, the same number you have to multiply in the numerator. So this will be minus 5 times 7, which is minus 35. So minus 35 over 21 is an equivalent rational number of minus 5 third. Similarly, we're going to find for minus 6 seventh. So here we have minus 6 by 7. This is equals to, now again think of a number, you have to multiply with 7 to get 21 in the denominator. We know that 7 times 3 is 21. So we'll multiply 3 in the numerator too. Minus 6 times 3 is minus 18. Now we got minus 18 over 21. Now here we have minus 35 and here minus 18. Now if you look at the number line, we have minus 35 here and minus 18 will be here. And between minus 35 and 18 we have many numbers, like we have minus 34, minus 33, so on, minus 20, minus 19, and then we have minus 18. So we have many numbers between minus 35 and minus 18. So out of these numbers, we can pick any 5 numbers. You can just take any numbers randomly and you can write the 5 rational numbers between these two. So let's write down. Therefore, 5 rational numbers between minus 5 third and minus 6 over 7 is equals to, pick any 5 numbers. We can start with minus 34. So minus 34 over 21. We can take minus 30 over 21. I'm just taking in here 5 random numbers. You can pick any 5, but your answer will be correct. And then we can take minus 22 over 21. Then don't include minus 35 and minus 18. We have to exclude these two numbers. Between these two numbers we have to take. Then we can take minus 20 over 21, and the last one will be minus 19 over 21. So make sure that this number lies between these two. Remember, there are infinitely many rational numbers between two rational numbers. Out of that we have just written few, and there are multiple ways of finding out. So I can again find an equivalent rational number of these two numbers, and again I can find rational numbers between these two. So the process will continue, and you can find infinitely many rational numbers between given two rational numbers. And if your answer doesn't match with this answer, that's fine, because like I said, there are infinitely many rational numbers. You cannot write down all the numbers. Pick any 5 or how many ever asked in the question you can write down. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.